And some news just coming in, and this, of course, is the build-up to Aryan Khan's homecoming. The procedure to release Aryan Khan is going on. Jail official has told India Today that Aryan Khan is very happy. Talking to inmates inside, also jail official has told us that Aryan Khan will be released anytime between 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. is what we have picked up from our sources. Authorities within the Arthur Road jail where Aryan Khan has been launched.
देखिए हमारा प्रोसेस चालू हो गया है। प्रोसेस हमारा चालू थोड़ा दूर हमारा प्रोसेस चालू हो गया है। 1 से 2 घंटा उसमें लगेंगे। उसके साथ जितने कैदी बाकी का बेल ऑर्डर आया है उसके साथ में उसको छोड़ा जाएगा। 10 से 12 बजे तक छूट जाएगी। जितना लोग ज्यादा रहेंगे उतना कंफर्मेशन के ज्यादा।
कैदी है सर, कितने कैदी हैं?
पता नहीं, देखना पड़ेगा।
11 बजे के बाद हम
रिलीज ऑर्डर मिल गए हैं। अभी उसको 10 से 12 बजे तक छोड़ा जाएगा। उसके साथ में जितने भी प्रिजनर रहेंगे उनको छोड़ा जाएगा। उसको अकेले।
Pankaj Upadhyay is getting us more details on that story. So we have a confirmation, Pankaj, that 10:30 to 11 o'clock a.m. and this is just procedural. It's a procedural delay. He will be out of jail. Just do tell us, is it now clear that Shah Rukh Khan indeed is going to be at the Arthur Road jail? What more can you tell us?
Sneha, first of all, the reaction, the official reaction that we got right now was from the jail superintendent, Nitin Vaichal. Now he has confirmed on record that the release orders have been received by the jail authorities here, and the processes, that the legal processes that have to be undertaken, that has already started. The official has also said that there are other release orders along with Aryans that are being processed, and it might take some time. He has also added that before noon time, Aryan Khan might come out, and he added that since there are a lot of release papers as well, that might take some time as well. So what the jail authorities here are emphasizing is that no special importance is being given to Aryan Khan's release orders, and that there is perfect parity, and that he is being treated equally like other inmates as well, and that release orders have been received and the procedural work has started. But what he has confirmed is that the process has started, and before 12 noon Aryan Khan could come out. Now as far as Shah Rukh Khan is concerned, realizing that his son might be free and might be released any time from the Arthur Road jail, he has left Mannat along, and we are also hearing that he is still meeting the legal team in a South Indian 5-star hotel. We are yet to get the confirmation as to which hotel exactly he is in, but we now have a confirmation that Shah Rukh Khan has left Mannat, and he is now meeting the legal team to understand the further formalities in a South Mumbai 5-star hotel. Whether he is going to come here at the Arthur Road jail to receive Aryan Khan, there's no clarity, because there's no confirmation either from Shah Rukh Khan's team or from the Mumbai police if they have received information, because I was talking to some of the senior officials here at the Arthur Road jail. They themselves maintain that they have no word on it, but as a precautionary measure, as we've been telling the viewers, the preparations that are being done on ground zero are for everyone to see. We are getting you the top angle of what's happening outside the Arthur Road jail. Now this is the area, you know, where traffic situation was also seen yesterday. This is the main road outside the Arthur Road jail. You cannot afford to stop the traffic, even though Mumbai police realizes that once Shah Rukh Khan comes in, if at all he comes in, there will be a lot of curious onlookers. But what they have done is they have done a lot of barricading in this area. Even the media people are not allowed to venture near the main gate, and there is increased presence of the Mumbai police. But now we have an official comment from the jail superintendent maintaining that the legal process has started. It's going to take in an hour or more, because there are other release orders as well which are being processed at the same time. And another important thing, it's not as if Aryan Khan, once the processes are complete, is going to come out alone. All the release orders that have been received, they are being processed. Once all of them are processed together, and all the people who will be heading out, they will be asked to head out all at once. So that might take some time, still some time to go. But the big news is that the process for Aryan Khan's release has started, and it might take at least an hour or two, as the jail superintendent is saying, for Aryan Khan to come out. But the Mumbai police is on an alert mode here. This is the main gate of the Arthur Road jail that you're seeing, and you see massive presence now of the Mumbai police here, and that's basically just to control the law and order situation, anticipating that if at all superstar Shah Rukh Khan were to come here to receive Aryan Khan, there might be a chaotic situation here, because there'll be fans around, there'll be curious onlookers around, there might be other people around here, and that is it. Plus, of course, it's the morning hour. There's a traffic situation as well. So Mumbai police definitely is having a hard time. By the hour, we are seeing increased presence of the Mumbai police officials here as well.
All right, Pankaj, be with us. We'll come back to you. Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan is all set to come out of Mumbai's Arthur Road jail after spending 25 days in prison. After inordinate delays stalled Aryan's release last evening, Aryan's legal team have completed all formalities that are necessary. Well, what we've learned is that Aryan is going to be walking out of jail by 10:30. It's also going to be depending on how many release orders are there. Last evening, Aryan's legal team could not complete the formalities. Well, what really caused the delay was the Zamanat box getting closed at 5:30 p.m. last evening. The Zamanat box is opened again at 5:30 a.m. this morning, and my colleague Arvind Ojha was there when that really happened, when the bail papers of Aryan Khan along with the others was picked up from that particular bail box. Arvind Ojha sent us this report earlier.
आर्थर रोड जेल का ये जो जमानत बॉक्स है ये अब खोल लिया गया है, और इसी में बहुत मुमकिन है कि जो आर्यन की जमानत जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो इसके अंदर हो। तो फिलहाल ये खोला जा रहा है 5:30 बजे, और जो प्रक्रिया होती है उसके बाद जो भी इसमें दस्तावेज होते हैं उसको अंदर बाकायदा ले जाया जाता है, और उसके बाद फिर प्रक्रिया शुरू होती है रिहाई की। तो आप देख पा रहे हैं कि बाकायदा यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो ये जो पेटी है, इस पेटी को खोल लिया गया है, और ये देखिए जा रहा है वो अंदर जा रहा है। तो इस वक्त आर्थर रोड जेल के अंदर जाया गया है। ये पहले आप देख पा रहे हैं कि ये बाकायदा जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो इसी पेटी में 5:30 बजे का चूंकि ये वक्त होता है निकाल लिया गया है, और अंदर जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो अंदर गया है। अब जितने लोगों का रिलीज ऑर्डर गया होगा आर्यन का भी, तो उस तरह से जो प्रक्रिया है रिहाई की वो शुरू होगी। बहुत मुमकिन है कि 8 से 9 बजे के लगभग जो आर्यन खान है वो आर्थर रोड जेल से बाहर आ जाएंगे। कैमरामैन प्रदीप गुप्ता के साथ अरविंद ओझा, मुंबई।
Saurav Vakhtani also continues to be with us. He's right outside Mannat, the residence of Shah Rukh Khan. Saurav, right now Shah Rukh Khan is not there. You did tell us that he left already, perhaps for Arthur Road jail. But first of all, do just give us an update about whether we know whether Shah Rukh Khan is actually headed to Arthur Road jail, or is there some place else where Shah Rukh Khan is gone?
So let me tell you, Sneha, that Shah Rukh Khan has already left with his bodyguard. He's there with his whole team. The 3 SUV left from Mannat. The visuals right now outside from Mannat we are showing you on India Today. We also have the top angle shots of Mannat here playing on India Today. But the team along with Shah Rukh Khan has already left half an hour back. And yesterday also, remember Sneha, when they were saying that Aryan Khan might be left from Arthur Road jail at around 6:30 to 7. Shah Rukh Khan had left Mannat before quite early in the afternoon itself, but you know there were some sort of technical difficulties and so many formality problems, and therefore Aryan Khan could not leave Arthur Road jail yesterday. So what has happened is yesterday late night the team of advocates had put in the release order inside the Zamanat box, and today in the morning where Arvind was present at 5:30 a.m. when the Zamanat box was opened, the release order was received by the jail officials. Now India Today has the confirmation that there are so many release orders pending inside the Arthur Road jail, and let me tell you Sneha, it is going to take some time, because you know once the release order is been taken by the Arthur Road officials, one by one the procedure actually start. The data has been entered into the registered, what all what all things they have brought to the jail, that all things has to be noted down. Also lot of cash all the inmates inmates, the under trial and the inmates actually bring to the jail. Remember, Aryan Khan was given 4,500 rupees per month to use for his daily expenses because he was not liking the jail food and therefore he was taking snacks from the canteen and all the water bottles. He was spending on this only. He had also taken 2 books from the library. So all that, the data entry record has to be maintained. The proper procedures will definitely take time. So what the jail officials have told India Today, Sneha, that all these procedures needs to be completed, and it's not just one person release order that can be completed at a time. Every person, all the release orders which have been taken by the jail official, all will be completed at once, and all the jail prisoners and the under trials will be released at once. So when Aryan Khans leave Arthur Road jail, there will be several others who will be leaving from that particular Arthur Road jail main gate at one single time. What I am also being told, Sneha, that Shah Rukh Khan has already left for a South Mumbai based hotel. There is a team of advocates with him all the time. Remember, Sneha, at all the time when there was the hearing of Aryan Khan going on in the court, Shah Rukh Khan used to leave his home early and he used to meet the team of advocates at the South Mumbai based hotel, and he used to himself note down all the points, whatever points were been mentioned inside the court, whatever points the NCB was raising against his son. Let me tell you, Shah Rukh Khan was the one who was jotting down each and every point. So he was so much into this hearing, and today again he has left with his whole team. There are 3 SUVs which left, and now he has reached the South Mumbai based hotel. And let me tell you, as soon as he gets confirmation from the jail officials that yes, now Aryan Khan will be leaving from Arthur Road jail, at that particular time Shah Rukh Khan will definitely go to Arthur Road and he will pick up his son, he will receive his son. And his team of bodyguards, Neha, there are few bodyguards and one very important bodyguard who is all the time with Shah Rukh Khan. He is already roaming around the Arthur Road jail. So let me tell you, once the release is completed, when they come to know that yes, in 10 to 15 minutes Aryan Khan will be leaving from Arthur Road jail, it is that particular time, but Shah Rukh Khan will definitely go to Arthur Road jail and he will be receiving his son Aryan Khan, who is coming after a very long period of time. Remember, Sneha, their first bail application got cancelled from Magistrate Court, then they applied to the Sessions Court, the NDPS Court. There their bail application got rejected, and in between when they filed the bail application in the Bombay High Court, there were 2 accused who were earlier arrested in the case who already got bail from the Sessions Court, where their bail application was rejected. So there was a setback, but finally, day before yesterday, they got the bail from Bombay High Court. We were expecting that yesterday Aryan Khan might be out, but due to the formality, he could not come out. And yes, but today at around 10:30 to 11 a.m., Aryan Khan is expected to be released from the Arthur Road jail.
That's right.
Well, Shah Rukh Khan will definitely come to receive him.
All right, Saurav, do continue to be with us.